Hi everybody, time for the December last month of this year pick a stick challenge. I'm just grabbing something to jot some notes on here. I have my cheat sheet out because I can never remember what we're supposed to do with this. So we need to pick 2 green sticks, so I'm going to grab 2 green sticks, an orange stick, which is a technique, no, 2 orange sticks, an action, which is a red, 2 purple, which is color, I don't know, let's see, 2 purple, and 1 yellow, which I can't even spell, yellow, which is a shape. So let's see what we got here. So now that I've got all of this, these are the ones that I'm going to pull from, so I can set this basket aside. If you haven't done this before, we are a Facebook group. We do a monthly challenge. Come and join us over there. All the information will be in a PDF that you can download, or not it'll be a picture that you can download and print off yourself and use. But so what I am doing is I've got the sticks that I need for this month's pick, so I can set this aside. And then what we do is we have 6. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 prompts and 2, what do they call those? Wild cards each month. And then we also have for the month, we have an ATC, so we have 1, 2, 3 picks on that and a wild card for the ATC. And this is a journal page, or any surface that you choose to work on. So I've got my sticks. I'm going to start pulling, and I'm just going to randomly, now I need to get the colors out here. So the colors are sepia and gold. And honestly, I think we had sepia before, so I'm going to throw that color out and grab another one. Just going to reach in the basket and grab one. And it is cerulean, which is a blue. Cerulean blue and gold. Let me grab a cerulean so that you can see what color that is. Okay, this is the cerulean blue from DecoArt Media line. It's a really pretty blue. Oh, let me get just a drop out here so you can see what color that is. So that's the cerulean, and then of course gold. I just might use my Daniel Smith gold acrylic gesso because I love it so much. So here's gold. Okay, so those are their colors, blue and gold, standard school colors, right? Okay, so what are we going to do next? Next is, get rid of this crumb of paint here. Next we start drawing. So I'm just going to pull the first one out of here, which is pool. Remember, orange color is a technique. So this is a pool technique. Now, like we say, it's your page, so you can do what you want on there. So there's the first one. The second one is, grab a stick here. Second one is rabbit. Oh, we've had that before too, haven't we? We had rabbit. I don't know. It seems like it's really familiar. Let me grab a different one. We're getting to the end of the pulls here. Okay, Arrow. And I, you know, as Shell has her basket, I have my basket, and you have to go through all of the sticks to pull them out, so it doesn't always get pulled out when it needs to be pulled out. So Arrow is yellow is a shape. Then we've got green, which is punch. And green is a product. Interesting. Punch. Well, I guess a punch is a product. Okay, then we've got attach. And pen. And rag. How come I don't have enough out here? What am I missing? I have orange. I have 2 orange. I have 2 color. I have 2 green, a red, and a shape. 2, 4, 6, 8. I need 10. I need 10 sticks. I don't have a blue. I don't have a blue. And what else am I missing? 2, 4. Oh, I need another red and another blue. Oh, okay. All right, let me pull a red, which is puff, and a blue, which is bumpy. So we'll just make those our wild cards. Okay, so then all of this goes back in here. Man, I'm glad I had my cheat sheet. I wouldn't have gotten that right. I'm going to pick one of these purples out of here, which is the cerulean. So that's the color on this side. So this is also going to be the color on the ATC. So we've got our color, so I can get rid of, where's that other purple? I can take that other purple out because we don't need that anymore. And then I need to pick the 3 in the wild card for the ATC. So I'm going to just get in here and grab a stick. First one is pen. Second one is pool. And the third one is bumpy. And then our wild card is going to be, wild card, attach. Okay, so I will get these all done up in our fancy sheets and get those posted on the website. That'll be the first Friday of the month when Shell and I actually do our Pick-a-Stick pages. Let's see, what's the month looking like for December? December, okay, first Friday is the 7th. So our pages will go up the 7th. I'm actually going to post the prompts on the 1st, which is a Saturday, so that you guys can start working if you want to, because December is going to be another busy month, right? And I want everybody to keep on working, to keep on creating. If you haven't been creating this month, go out there and check out the hashtag Art Journal Habit 2018, because Shell and I, for the whole month of November, have been doing an art journal page a day with the prompts that we provided. There are other people that are playing along. There's great videos. There's great content on the Art Joy is sharing. It's Art Joy of Sharing, which is another one of our Facebook groups. Shell and I are manning. Art Joy is Sharing. And also, you know, check Pinterest, Instagram, all of those places, because there's lots of information out there. So that's it for me this December. Gonna get this stuff posted, and I'll be back on the 7th to do my page, and so will Shell. And I hope you guys had a great Thanksgiving and are looking forward to the holidays with family and friends. And see you again next time. Bye, guys. Bye for now.